Krishna.
Hare Krishna, viewers on Mayapur TV. Welcome to Sri Navadi Mandal Parikrama 2020. We are here at Champati. We are on the fourth day of Parikrama, and this is the international group. You're seeing the devotees are taking prasadam, very ecstatic. Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Today's morning prasadam breakfast was sponsored by His Holiness Jayapataka Swami Maharaj. So this morning we have started from Koladvip. So we have covered until now Godrumdip, Madhyadip, Koladvip, and now we are in Ritudip. You have heard the pastimes already and beautiful dramas of Jayadev Goswami. It was a really beautiful drama. I hope you have seen it. Right now I have with me some devotees for interviewing. Okay, here, one of you. Come.
So we'll sit and have katha. Here is a very good place.
Hare Krishna. So,
Krishna.
what's your name?
Shalina, Bhakti and Shalina, and this is Dana Kaili.
Nana Kelly? Say Haribol.
Can you say something? She's not going to say anything.
So, Shalini, you are doing parikrama for the first time?
Yeah, actually, it's the first time on Navadip Mandal. Yeah.
And are you staying in the camp?
Yes.
So, that's amazing. First time and in the camp with the baby.
Yeah, it's great. It's really nice.
Tell us how you feel about it.
Well, I've been a couple of times before on a day excursion, and it was on the buses, but I much prefer the camp. It's so much fun. It's in the open air, and devotees take care of me so nicely, me and my daughter. And Jayapataka Maharaj even arranged for us a boat trip the other day to Navadip. It was really nice. I thought you feel taken care of.
Yeah.
It's really nice.
So far, any austerity? It looks austere, to some people. But what would you say for austerity?
I think it's not austere at all. I think it's lovely to be able to bathe in the open air. I think it's great. And the campsites are beautiful and everything's quite well organized, although we did run out of water at one stage, but it did come back.
So, I mean, that's amazing. Mataji with a child is saying that it is not austere at all. This is wonderful. I mean, Farah, say something more.
Well, it's nice to be in nature and see another side of the Dham, more rural, and so many people are paying obeisances to us. It's amazing. It's beautiful. And the Qatar is beautiful, the dramas are amazing. Everything's lovely.
Dana Kelly, are you liking the parikrama?
What do you like?
Yes.
Is there something you like?
What do you like most?
She's saying it shyly. She loves finding the bags at the end when we get to the camp. She loves helping.
Wonderful. Huh? So you love in the camp? Yeah.
You like it?
Can we see the smiling face?
Any smiles?
All the devotees will come next year if they see your smiling face.
They might come. Come on, sure.
Tell them to come.
Sure.
Tell them to come to parikrama.
Can you say? Oh, she's all shy.
Would you ask them to come and join? Do you think it's a great thing? You say, Shalini.
Oh, it's a great thing. Please come. Please join and feel the nectar.
Where are you from? I forgot to ask you that.
Oh, from the Irish Yatra, but I'm living in Mayapur at the minute.
Oh, okay. Thank you very much, Shalini, for joining us on Mayapur TV and inspiring us. Staying in the camp with the child and feeling so blissful and happy. This is really great. Thank you so much. Really inspiring. Thank you for doing it. Now we have with us another wonderful devotee, Apara Gaurangi Devidasi. She has been on parikrama before, but still we would like to know how she is feeling this time.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Apara Gaurangi.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
So, how many times have you done this parikrama?
This is my third time here.
Third time.
Yeah.
And where are you from?
I was born in Bihar, but currently I'm staying in California.
You say in California. You are here with a group or alone by yourself?
It's just me and my husband.
Okay. So, what do you want to say about? What do you want to say about parikrama? Your realizations. Anything you want to say to devotees who are watching?
So as I was reading the Navadvipa Mahatmya, I got to know that how Lord Nityananda brought Jiva Goswami on Parikrama. So as we are doing the Parikrama, I have the feeling that we're actually following the footsteps of Lord Nityananda. And as I read into the pastimes of different devotees who stayed at different islands, it's very touching to see how Lord actually reciprocated to each and every person's desire by giving them darshan and telling them beforehand that he is going to come. So I was really touched by the fact that how Krishna is actually intervening in his devotee's life, and how it also gives us hope that Lord is actually watching us and will reciprocate us also.
That's a wonderful realization. It's wonderful.
Yeah, I really like that. I was really touched by the fact that how Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is personally reciprocating to different devotees. So I really like that.
Anything you would like to say to our viewers who are watching and who are not able to come?
So I would really request all of you to pray to Lord Chaitanya to give you an opportunity to come to the parikrama at least once in your lifetime. It's a life-changing experience to come to parikrama. So for me, I actually did the last parikramas I did was in around 2012. So it's a long difference, and I'm really relishing remembering my previous memories also, visiting those places and with devotees. It's very nice. Especially hearing from so many devotees together, it's really wonderful. Also, when we read the Srimad Bhagavatam and Chaitanya Charitamrita, and when we visit those places and relate two of them, it also gives us inspiration to read more. So.
Yeah, many devotees, many devotees speak about that. That the devotees who they read about in Bhagavatam, and at the same time they can, when they come to the place, they actually can relate to it. So that's a wonderful realization. Also, anything else you want to add?
So I hope the number of devotees and all the parikrama groups keeps increasing and increasing, so that we all can relish the parikrama better.
It's also pleasing to the Guru Parampara, and it's like fulfilling Bhakti Vinod Thakur's prophecy, chanting Jai Sachinandan together. It's wonderful. Yeah. So, Apara, Gorangi, Devidasi, please, thank you very much for joining us and joining in Parikrama. Like Jayapataka Maharaj says, one girl gladly told us that it's not one time, Parikrama should be done every year actually, but at least once. Yeah. Thank you very much for joining with us on Mayapur TV and encouraging us. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. We have now another devotee from Delhi. No, not from Delhi. Okay, he will introduce himself. Hare Krishna Prabhu.
Hare Krishna. My name is Desh. I am originally from Chandigarh, but I live in Bombay since 5 years now.
Are you with the Bombay Yatra or you came with the Delhi Chandigarh Yatra?
I'm with both of them.
How many times have you done Parikrama? I see you every year leading Kirtan and everything.
Maybe 9-10 times. My first was 2011, I guess. Yes. Yeah.
What would you like to say to devotees who are not able to come or who have never been for Parikrama with your 9-10 years of experience?
Yeah, whatever I can tell from my personal experience is that this is a great form of exile from busy work life. When you get bored of your work, the noise of your city, you feel like coming to Mayapur. And I personally try to make sure that I take my time off from the work and, I come here every year for peace, for spirituality and, association of devotees and wonderful kirtan. And I would suggest everyone that please try to come here. If not the Gaur Purnima festival, any time of the year you can come, because Mayapur is as great as always. Every day is a festival here. So I would advise all of you to just make sure that you come at least once a year and have a wonderful time over here, and just forget about your work life and your worries of the world. That is the fake world, this is the real world.
That's very nice to hear that. I wanted to know, have you ever stayed in the camps?
Yes, initially we used to stay in the camp because back then I used to come from Chandigarh. We used to come as a group. We always have our seva in the kirtan since so many years now, since 15 years I guess. So we used to stay in the camp, but then I'm a fallen soul. I can't do so much of austerity, so I started going back to Mayapur. But then yes, there also we have so many things to do. Like we sit in the kirtan in Radha Madhav Hall every evening, and we meet our friends from all over the world. We eat together, we dine together, and we do kirtan together. Yes.
But one lady just before you had an interview, gave an interview, and she is from Irish Yatra, and she had a child, like 2-year-old child. She said it's not austerity at all to be in the camps. You are saying it's austerity.
Depends person to person. I think I'm fallen, so I'm not. I just can't.
But you must have enjoyed when you stayed in camp.
Yeah, yes, we really did. But unfortunately, I fell ill the last time I stayed. So I just got a little paranoid because then I had to, miss a day or two of the yatra. So that bothers me. So just to make sure that I'm, healthy
and
throughout
to
the
even do the whole
yatra. Yes,
parikrama.
yes. So I started going.
No problem, viewers. You have both the options of staying as well as camping. Whatever suits you, you can do that. Anything else you want to add?
I would just sound like a stuck record. I would simply repeat that, just make sure once a year you come here on any of the festivals. But Gaur Purnima is, yes, the crux of being in Mayapur. But yeah, like you can come at any point of the year, but make sure you come here, Mayapur, once in a year. Yeah.
Thank you, Prabhu, for joining us on Mayapur TV and encouraging us. Haribo.
Thank
Thank
you.
you. So here we are at Champahati on the 4th day of International Group Parikrama. Remember, there are 7 groups, so 7 islands are at the moment being inhabited by ISKCON devotees, all chanting and dancing in ecstasy. And we're going to stay here actually for some time, as announced by Maharaj. And after a while, we'll be going to Vidyanagar. It's a beautiful place, and you'll hear more kathas and dramas by Panchadna Prabhu, I'm sure. So until then, stay tuned. Maybe we'll have some more devotees for interviewing. Hare Krishna. We are on Ritudip. Haribo. Hare Krishna. So here we are in Champati on the 4th day of Sri Navadvip Mandal Parikrama. This is the international group. So now we have with us the youth of ISKCON. Some of the youth, of course, there are many youths. These girls are from Sri Mayapur International School, and I'm going to introduce each one of them. You all are staying. All of you are staying or coming and going, right? Coming and going. They're not camping because the parents are not there this time. But sometimes you have camped also, no? Yes. Please tell us your names from there. Name?
I'm Sindhu and I'm from US. I'm Govinda and I'm from Mauritius. I'm Nanda and I'm from Brazil. I'm Radhe and I'm from Italy.
From?
Italy. I'm Bhagirathi and I'm from Mayapur.
I'm Tapta Kanchini Radhika Devidasi and I'm from Serbia.
Tapta Kanchini, please tell us how many times have you been on Parikrama?
3.
How many times have you all been in Parikrama?
Hare Krishna.
This is my first time. Second. Eighth.
Huh?
8th.
8. Wow.
10th or 11th.
10th or 11th. So these are like going on, since children, kids. And you said how many times? Third time, right? So I would like to ask you, Tapta Kanchani, since you are the eldest here, how much you like Parikrama? Why you come? Why you come for Parikrama?
Well, I absolutely love Parikrama because of the association we get. Not only do I get to associate with the girls outside of school, but also get the association of so many Maharajas and exalted devotees that rarely come to Mayapur. So it's very nice to hear them talk about Krishna and, you feel like you're in Goloka Vrindavan itself.
Right. Why do you like to come to Parikrama? Why you come? Anyone? Volunteer?
Devotees who had prasadam,
Why you
please
come?
come and take seats here.
I'll ask
We are going to
everyone.
start
Say why you
now.
come.
It's very magic.
Because she comes? Because she comes. Come on. Anything you like? Like what?
Sulochan Prabhu, please come.
I like to visit all the holy places and know all the stories.
What really inspires you to come? That's basically it.
It's really fun to be walking with your friends and visiting the temples and places. The classes and the dramas.
Dramas, right.
You can go around Navadip everywhere.
Go around Navadip.
There's like a totally different atmosphere in Parikram, and with friends or without friends, there's like a totally different amazing feeling of Parikram.
So basically you all have fun, right? Yes. So basically for fun, it's a fun thing. It's no austerity. Even if it's austerity is so little, austerity is little, right? Very little compared to the fun you get, no? Yeah. So it's really fun to be on Parikrama. That's the message this our youth is giving. Taptakanchani, you want to add anything to the viewers who are not able to come or who wish to come, or anything that you were telling me other day about your realization that how it's nice that even for chanting you finish the rounds before 8 o'clock.
Yeah, it's lovely because even people that do live in Mayapur, we don't usually get the opportunity to see all these holy places, or even if we're engaged in service, it's more like dutiful service, But when we're Parikram, it's just so spontaneous, the rounds, they're just flowing, you're quickly finishing your rounds, and by lunchtime you've done your rounds plus extra rounds, and wow, I feel so accomplished, and then, everyone around you is chanting, and they're talking about Krishna and wearing nice dhotis and kurtas, so if people haven't come to Parikram, it's a must. People have to come to Parikram at least once in their life to truly relish Navadip Dham, even the devotees that stay in Mayapur full time.
Any message for them? That they should, yes, say loudly together.
Come to Parikram.
Yes, come to Navadip Mandal Parikram. Thank you for joining us on Mayapur TV. Thank you, girls, really. Okay, Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna Taptakanchani. Haribol. So now we have with us Shyama Mataji, please. Prabhu will ask you next. Please come closer. We have a veteran. Shall I call her veteran because she has been a numerous times on Parikrama. Oh, after that we have Maharaj. Okay. How many times?
I'm not sure, maybe 13, 14, I don't know.
13, 14, not even sure. Where are you from?
I'm from UK.
Okay. So you come every year for Parikrama?
I try to because it's very special.
What's special? What's special?
We shouldn't miss it because actually it's more like living in the pastimes of Lord Gauranga than just hearing about them. Because we hear about them and then we walk. It's a little austere walking, but we're walking and chanting. So we feel a lot of ecstasy, and we actually often feel like we're part of the pastime of Lord Gauranga.
Wow. And anything you want to say to our viewers?
Yeah, you should come. Don't miss the chance because we get older every year. And it gets harder as you get older. So just come and do it. And you'll see your feet won't really touch the ground, especially if you stay in the kirtan. Your feet won't really touch the ground. You just fly through the Dham. And you'll be seeing that the days are running out and it's going to end soon. And you'll be feeling very sorry.
Right, that's a very nice point. You want to add anything? I mean, you have been in so many parikrams. Anything that comes off your head? I don't want to tell you the questions. You already know the answers. What to say?
I don't know. It's a very nice program. I like it now. It's a little smaller. Yeah. I think it's more manageable when it's less huge groups. And this year we're very lucky that the group is quite compact, especially with staying out. We have a choice of rooms because there's not very many people staying on international. And but we don't do enough swimming. We used to swim everywhere, so that's one thing. But please come and everyone come and join in. We need more, especially Western people who like to go bathing in the river and in all the lakes and everything here and taking darshan. And we need more kirtan devotees to come and keep it.
We'll put that word to the management, more swimming, if possible. Okay. Thank you, Shyama.
Shampriya.
Shampriya. Thank you, Shampriya. She also does very beautiful arts, shamarts.com. So if you visit that, also beautiful paintings. And she's been a parikrama many number of times. And thank you very much for joining us. Thank you very much for joining us on Mayapur TV for. Now we have along with us Bhakti Dhira Damodar Swami Maharaj. Please, we will hear from him. Maharaj, anything you want to say to our viewers about parikrama? Any nectar, because we have been having nectars all the time, but maybe those who are viewing, they don't get to hear all the time, so if you can give a special for them.
I have been attending Navadi Parikrama for more than 15 years and trying to encourage devotees by kirtan and also by speaking. So why am I doing this for more than 15 years? It is because I'm having very nice, sweet experience in participating. So I speak and also attend kirtan to encourage devotees. And I have invited so many devotees from Mauritius, from Africa, from Brazil, from within India here. So this particular Parikrama 2020 here, I have from 30 to 40 devotees here whom I've encouraged to come and participate. And they're having wonderful experience. That they are encouraging others. When they go back to their places, they encourage others also to come. Parikrama is not just a fatigue. They have no money, so we are to take a bus, that we are walking. It's a great activity. It's a spiritual activity. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu started this. Lord Nityananda Prabhu continued it along with Srila Jiva Goswami. And our Acharya, they continue this process right from that time till now. Bhaktivinoda Thakur said, all the places my Lord Gauranga traveled and performed his pastimes, I will do the same thing. I would like to go through all these places with like-minded devotees. So this is not an ordinary activity. So we encourage every devotee to come and have the experience. Srila Prabhupada personally requested that his disciple devotee, means all ISKCON devotees, should come regularly to Mayapur and Vrindavan, and together discuss unity and diversity, attend all the programs, encourage each other, because what is happening here, it is not happening in other places. And you can see that when you come to Mayapur, devotees you will never see in their own places, you meet them here in this festival. So it's a wonderful experience, which I'm experiencing myself personally, and because I'm enjoying it, I have been encouraging other devotees to come. So we want all of you to come here and taste the bliss of Navadi Parikrama. Hare Krishna.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Maharaj, for joining us on Mayapur TV and encouraging us. Thank you so much. Haribol, Haribol. Yes, yes. So Maharaj is coming every year and will continue to encourage us on Parikrama. He gives wonderful classes. And so we will be having more kathas and more lectures continuing.